morning students. I am going to give you short answers type question of chapter 4. Okay, all of you please note down short answers. Type questions. Now your first question is, what do you understand by separation of mixture? What do you understand by separation of mixture? So your answer is given in page number 38. I am just writing here. The process of separating the components of a mixture is called separation of mixtures. So this is your first answer. Okay, now answer number 2. Now all of you write down answer number 2. Which method of separation is used to separate miscible liquids? I think all of you know. Answer is fractional distillation method. Fractional distillation method. Fractional distillation method of separation is used to separate miscible liquids. So this one is your second answer. Now answer number 3. Answer number 3, what is your question? Your question is, how is distillation different from evaporation? Okay, your answer, in distillation both solid and liquids and liquid component can be obtained. Whereas in evaporation the liquid evaporates and only the solid component is retained. So this is your third answer. Okay, now fourth question is define. First one is miscible liquids. Fourth question, part A, first one, miscible liquids. I hope all of you know this answer. Liquids which easily dissolve in each other. Okay, liquids, the liquids which completely dissolve in each other and make homogeneous mixture mixtures are called miscible liquids. Okay, example also you can give: milk and water. Now part B. What is your part B? It is evaporation. Okay, your second one is evaporation. Evaporation, the process of converting a liquid into vapor, either by exposing it to the sun or by heating, is known as evaporation. Okay, so this one is the second one. Now third one, magnetic separation. Magnetic separation. It is the process, magnetic separation is the process of separating components of mixtures by using magnets to attract magnetic materials. Magnetic materials. It is the process of separating components of mixtures by using magnets to attract magnetic materials. This much only. Now fourth one, sublimate. Fourth one is sublimate. Sublimate your process in which a solid directly changes to vapor by on heating without changing to liquid state is called sublimation. Now on cooling, the vapor change back into solid. Now this solid is called sublimate. Okay, so the process in which a solid directly changes to vapor on heating without changing to liquid state is called sublimation. On cooling, the vapors change back into solid. This solid is called sublimate. So these are your short answers. Now long answers I will give you in my next video. So you have to write it down in your fair copy. Thank you so much.